Sorry, but yes，幾點瞓覺啊？It also depends, but most of the time 係 past 咗12點嘅，所以有 pimples。我其實啱啱同我媽咪傾完，and she already told me 係要快啲瞓覺嘅。So I'm gonna quickly read all of this. Thank you, Cindy, for reminding me and helping me do what my mom wants me to do. 就係早啲瞓覺咧。第二個問題就係我會想喺邊個國家？係咪冇去過嗰個？
冇啊！就咁問你嚟緊會想去邊個國家旅行？
我永遠係想去夏威夷嘅啫。OK， 我係一個好簡單一個人。OK， 我淨係中意夏威夷。I'll stick with Hawaii. That's the way to go. And 我老婆可能覺得好悶嘅，但 that's the only place that I like.
我冇咁講過。
唔係啊，因為你好多時就係覺得我就係、如果你中意我中意嗰樣嘢咧，我會日日咁樣食嘅。
係。
and 咧去一個地方咧，我都會次次都係淨係去嗰個地方嘅啫。係咪？Just like 迪士尼。There was like a couple of years， 我哋係去咗 like 3 years in a row。
連續3年，好似 Covid 之前連續3年
去咗 Disney World 嘅。咁我哋都係玩同一個 park。
係。係好玩嘅，但係好玩，我哋係好中意 Disney 嘅。
So yeah, so Hollywood scene, and then in a way, I do want to take this lady to LA 嘅，因為其實未去過 LA， so I do want to take her to LA because Universal Studios, Disneyland is there, and 好多 national parks 嘅嗰度，so 我哋又好中意行山，so yeah, if not Hawaii 就係 LA 啦。下一個。2, Lyman. Oh, okay. This is from Icy. Oh, thank you very much, Icy. Happy birthday. What is the most difficult thing to take up after staying in Hong Kong, except language? Okay, thank you. Okay, except language. What is the next hardest thing to take up?我真係唔知啊！我真係唔知啊！即係因為都係 after，I mean， 即係成日上堂啊，都係讀劇本啊，最難都係中文嘅。你話咧？有咩覺得係困難啊？
我覺得都冇乜嘅，不過會唔會可能有時天氣轉變，因為香港係濕啲嘅，
所以咩？
好似你之前咁樣做 show 嗰陣都皮膚敏感，即係有段時間。
But to take up more，
係嘅。
It's like something that we learned。
係。
What did I？
你自己答咯。
OK， 唔係太清楚。I mean， OK，hip hop classes。Yeah, I mean, because I do want to expand in terms of 其他某種 so hip hop classes for me is like a different thing, difficult. 有 challenge 嘅，係啦 difficult 唔係 but challenge 嘅。Because I was gonna say 其實早瞓 is one thing that is hard for me， 但係 after I stayed in 香港 technically this is a problem for me since I was in the UK and also in 美國嘅 so yeah I think for now hip hop. Okay, next one 2 Lyman. Okay, 第一個 Oh man 都是一個中文的 Auntie Lily. Oh Auntie Lily, I remember you. Lily Lai, the one who gave me 那一個利是。好多謝。哎呀，對唔住。Auntie Lily， 好多謝你嘅利是。祝你身體健康，龍馬精神，出入平安。斟一斟杯茶。Thank you for your 利是。This is if you guys don't know Auntie Lily, she's a very very cute elderly lady。嗱，佢就寫咗一個question 俾我，幾時會再見到你的身體啊？
係啊，你諗一諗，諗一諗。
你的 係咪表演啊？唔好
Yes
係表演 OK。
點會身體
Sorry, it
啊
looks like a sun.
No.
Okay. Sorry，幾時會再見到你的表演？我我唔知 seasons 幾時出，but I'm gonna 拍一個節目，都係跳舞節目嚟嘅。到時喺 ViuTV 會見到。Again，我都唔知幾時會出現。Thank you, Hot Ma, Connie, thank you, thank you very, very, very much. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. I got a message today from 一個排舞老師 Kenya that 因為而家咧下個禮拜4月6號就係 ViuTV 9週年 and they're gonna put my face on there to introduce ViuTV 9週年。恭喜 ViuTV 9週年 Yes
都係 Happy Birthday 嘅。
都係 Happy Birthday so great thing so I don't know if you actually see it apparently it's on TV my TV is on right now but I don't really see it I'm actually waiting to see myself but I don't so Auntie Lilia 我都係等緊嘅啫
我哋大家拭目以待。
拭目以待即係要 patiently waiting 啊
係可以喎，係。
我哋而家會拭目以待 patiently waiting OK 謝謝 Auntie Lily and Galaxy 下一個係咪呢個Is it this one? No. Okay. Happy birthday. This is from Sweetie Q. Oh, Sweetie Q. Okay. 請問會否同 Zoe 有合作機會？請問會否即係咩？
會唔會？
會唔會啊？會否同 Zoe 有合作機會？超級期待。
Yeah.
會唔會有合作機會 I'm introducing her to my live. This is 我哋第一次喺 live 嗰度出現嘅 so this is 第一個 and hopefully many 合作機會。Yeah. 睇下先 What else? Dear Lyman 呢個 handwriting 係好正咯 It's 好 graffiti style to me. Happy birthday. I don't know if you see it. Yes. So, dear Lyman, happy birthday. 祝 Seasons 乜國際超出國際
Yes.
This is pure guess. Knowledge is getting higher at age 35. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
沒問題。
得比較
好的 Okay. This is a very cool sticker as well. Happy birthday to me. This is have a super cool birthday. Okay, also in 全中文嘅 Joanne. 其實係咪
上次問咗
呢個係問咗嘅 Joanne. Okay, 你記得你嘅問題嗎？Something about BB 嘅。
應該係我記得答案嘛。
Yeah. 我唔讀出嚟，但係上次好彩我嘅 manager，我嘅 assistant 喺度就係答咗我個新我會有個 BB 就係我啲 projects 啦，所以今年有3個 BB。
希望多啲 BBs。
係啦，希望多啲 BBs。
Project BBs。
Okay, 下一個。Oh, this is cute. Wait, I saw this one. Smiley face. Is this deja vu? Ivy, happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best. Looking forward to see you more on IG. Hello! Ivy, I am here for you. Especially your dancing. Sorry.
多咗少少。
Sorry, Ivy. I just realized, hold on, 係12點 is actually getting ready for bed, but I'm like full of energy.
You'll calm down
Yeah.
for bedtime.
係，對唔住 Sorry, so let's do it again. Looking forward to see you more on IG, especially your dancing videos. I'm here, Ivy, for you. By the way, my daughter is a Latin dancer. She always loops your video and praise your move is sharp and your move is sharp and accurate. Well, thank you very much, Ivy. Have a good night. Okay. 下一個。Should I keep this energy? This is from Fanny. I'm guessing it's Fanny.
I think Fanny. Okay, hopefully it's Fanny.
I hope this is Fanny.
係
Or it could be fairy. 兩個 R. Very, very good. Fairy. Or my fair lady 嗰個 fairy. Okay, whatever it is. Damn it, you're an idiot, Lyman. It says Fanny right here. Hi, Fanny. Sorry. 我係 Fanny. 都介紹返自己。我表哥會
曾經
哎呀，我表哥曾經喺
土瓜灣
一間食咩？
應該係
係咪
因為食
你啲
字應該，哎呀弊啦，嗰個字突然間唔記得點讀，繼續先 skip 咗，繼續。
一個食肆
攞過你
嘅
簽名俾我。
土瓜灣攞個食肆
I think so。
係咪有啊？
有啊，我記得影相。Anyway，好開心。
好開心可以同你慶祝生日。想問你會回來香港發展？
參加造星
係後呢個後嚟嘅咩？唔係係嚟嘅。後最嘔唔係再開始 sorry
點解要嘔？make 唔 make sense 先？
最開心嘅事係咩？我回來香港最開心嘅事係其實有好多事嘅。第一就係可以見到屋企人啦，因為第一喺香港真係少見嘅。第二就係其實可以一個禮拜咁樣，起碼有5晚喺屋企食飯咧，我覺得係好開心、好榮幸一件事。食住家飯咧 ，one of the greatest things, and especially when you know 嗱 Zoe 嫲嫲啦，係煮嘢食咧係好鬼死勁嘅，係讚不絕口嘅。
哇
！Go Chinese! Go Chinese! 35.
但係你讀咗嘔喎。
Sorry. 但係
繼續。
What else? Transportation is so 方便. I must say, I love transportation. I love traveling to different spots, dance studios and all that kind of stuff. 總之 every time 都係 within 45 minutes and half an hour 嘅。You know，因為美國咧有陣時咧真係好遠啊，同埋好唔方便，同埋行個路又唔 it's just not great. So yeah，最開心件事都係 this 見到屋企人 ，and I of course 可以同老婆一齊住 in a beautiful place. Yes, with beautiful me. 哎呀，我冇身體健康。Yes， 祝身體健康。Happy birthday! Thank you, Fanny. 下一個 keep 唔 keep 呢個 sticker？ 中唔中意呢個 sticker？OK， 下一個，快樂。如果
拍劇